Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's move on with the filters on all pages. And when we talk about filters on all pages, we mean the relative, the related visuals with the related fields within all the pages. Like now we have various pages here, but when we have visuals with the related fields, we can filter all the pages with the kind of filters that we'll do. So I want to create different visuals within the page 1, page 2, and page 3 so that we can see how filters on all pages work. So the first page, let me try to create a funnel chart. So I'll click on this funnel chart. Then I will choose country and drop under group, and then I will choose let me try to choose sales amount and drop under values. Then let me try to make it much clearer. So I'll choose here black color. Okay, I'll choose white instead of black. The category I will choose black color. Then again on page 2 I will create let me create a simple column chart. So I will drag again. Let me try to drag country and drop under axis, and then I will drag order quantity, drop under values. Then let me try to make it much clearer, so the axis will be black in color, and the same will apply on the y-axis. And then data labels, I'll put data labels on, and then the data labels, let me make them black as well. And then let me try to increase the text size of the data labels. Excuse me. Then my axis again also not that clear, so let me go back here and increase the text size. And then the same I will apply on the x-axis. I will increase the text size. Okay. So again, let me try to create a different visual on page 3. So page 3, I'll create a matrix. And then with the matrix, I will drag a date and drop under rows. And then I will drag sales amount. Let me drag gross margin and drop under values. And then I will also drag let me drag category and drop under columns. Okay. So here again, let me try to increase the text size of the values. So the values, I will increase the text size to 10. That's okay. Let me try to increase to 15. And then I will also increase the text size of the row headers to 14 or 15. And then again, let me try to increase again the text size of the column headers to 15 as well. Okay, and again here let me try to put pie chart. So the pie chart now I want to use category on my pie chart, and then I'll add a gross margin here. Instead of gross margin, let me try to add total product cost and drag and drop under values, and then let me try to exclude the bikes because the bikes are taking quite a big portion of my pie chart, so I'll try to exclude the bikes. So I will remain with accessories and clothing, and then I'll also change the colors of the accessories and clothing. So let me try to use a red here, and the other one I can use okay, let me leave it as blue, and then the legend are on, but I need them inside my top bottom. No, I don't need the legend. Or let me put them at the bottom center, and then I also need the data labels right inside, but with the black color. Category and data value. Okay. Let them be inside. Okay. Then now I can increase the size of my visual. Then now from here now again I can now go to filters on all pages. And then let me try to create a tree map on this page as well. So with the tree map I'll use country, drop under group, and then I'll also use the quantity and drop under values, and then I will increase the text size for data labels and category. Okay, so now I want to use filter on all pages. So what I will do here, I will drag, let me try to drag region and drop under filter on all pages. And then now if I select Australia, you can see here I have Australia with the 13K, and then when I go to this page also I only have Australia with 9 million in terms of sales amount. When I go to page 2, I still have Australia with 13.3K. Page 3 as well, I have the sales within Australia. I have clothing and accessories of 44K and 51 respectively. So let me try to again now click Canada instead of Australia. You see if the changes will happen. So I'll click Canada, and now you can see the changes here. When I click on Central, You can see the changes well, and the changes are appearing on the related pages with the related fields. So when I go to page 2, you'll see the a column bar for United States, but United States it's within a central region. So when I go to page 1 as well, you can see United States, and when I go to filters on all pages, you can see I have United States with the 20K. So this is how to work on filters on all pages, and I hope you understood, and let's meet again in the next video.